How to engrave metal with the Silhouette Cameo. Step 1. Open your Silhouette Studio and upload your design. Step 2. Turn on the line color and switch your fill color to transparent from the quick access toolbar. Step 3. Open the line effects panel and select the crosshatch effect. Step 4. Reduce the spacing as low as possible for a complete engraving. Step 5. Draw a shape, click on Transform, and open Scale. Step 6. Set the dimensions. Step 7. Set the dimensions for the design and fit it inside the shape. Step 8. Create an offset, set the distance and click on Apply. Step 9. Delete the inside circle. Step 10. Move your complete design over the mat according to your cutting needs. Step 11. Click on Send. Step 12. Select your design and click on No Cut to only cut the shape. Step 13. Select Cardstock, plain in material. Step 14. Line up an adhesive vinyl paper backing side up over your cutting mat right where you have placed the design for the cut. Step 15. Load the cutting machine for cutting. Step 16. After cutting, do not unload the cutting mat. Step 17. Remove the backing paper from the vinyl. Step 18. Stick the metal you're using for etching over the vinyl part you have cut. Step 19. Go back to Silhouette Studio, select the shape and click on No Cut. Step 20. Click on the design and change the action to Sketch. Step 21. Click on Sketch and the design will turn red. Step 22. Click on Send. Step 23. After the cut, examine the engraving over the metal. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.